We're currently staying in a monastery and we're a couple of days into our cycle trip and we've got a few more to go. We're covering about 45 to 60k a day and about 500 to 800 meters of elevation a day, so not too bad, but it's amazing the things I'm seeing. The small villages on the hills, snake skins on the road. Yesterday a man proudly invited us to see his battery chicken farm as we were cycling through the middle of nowhere. We all shook our heads. And a guy in our group, he'd been carrying a hard-boiled egg in the back of his cycle jersey, and suddenly that seemed very unappealing. But it's nice here because there's bird song. That's what I missed in the big cities. So yeah, we woke up to a whole lot of birds this morning. I haven't quite worked out what they are yet, but it's been wonderful, and just packing up and we'll head off on our bikes soon. And we've just had an amazing breakfast and it looks sunny, so I've got sunblock on and it's meant to get to 27 degrees, so it's all good. Oh, actually I did crash yesterday. I was too busy looking at the view and then that stopped in front of me, so I slammed on my brakes, and the brakes the opposite way for front and back and left and right, and I just went flying. So not good, but I'm okay. It's part of the adventure.